In today's digital landscape, the potential for making money online has never been more exciting, especially with the rise of AI-generated content. Imagine creating engaging video shorts that not only capture attention but also generate income, all with the help of artificial intelligence. This innovative technology allows anyone, regardless of their technical skills, to produce high-quality content quickly and efficiently. The beauty of AI-generated shorts lies in their simplicity. With just a few clicks, you can transform ideas into captivating videos that resonate with audiences. As more people turn to platforms like YouTube and TikTok for entertainment and information, the demand for fresh, engaging content continues to soar. Moreover, the trend of using AI in content creation is rapidly gaining traction. From automated script writing to video editing, AI tools are making it easier than ever to produce shorts that stand out in a crowded market. So, whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, now is the perfect time to explore how AI can help you tap into this lucrative opportunity and make money online. AI-generated shorts are brief video clips created using artificial intelligence technology designed to engage viewers in a matter of seconds. These shorts have gained significant traction in the digital content landscape due to their ability to deliver quick, entertaining, and informative messages. The significance of AI-generated shorts lies in their capacity to streamline content creation, making it accessible to a wider audience. The technology behind AI content generation involves sophisticated algorithms that analyze vast amounts of data to understand trends, audience preferences, and effective storytelling techniques. This allows AI tools to generate scripts, select visuals, and even edit videos, all while maintaining a coherent narrative that resonates with viewers. One of the primary advantages of using AI for creating engaging video shorts is efficiency. Content creators can produce high-quality videos in a fraction of the time it would take manually. Additionally, AI can help optimize content for various platforms, ensuring that your shorts reach the right audience. With the ability to generate fresh ideas and automate repetitive tasks, AI empowers creators to focus on what truly matters, connecting with their audience and growing their online presence. When it comes to creating engaging AI-generated shorts, selecting the right tools can make all the difference. Popular options like Pictory and Synthesia have emerged as favorites among content creators for their user-friendly interfaces and powerful features. Pictory allows you to transform text into captivating videos effortlessly, while Synthesia specializes in creating realistic AI avatars that can deliver your message in a dynamic way. When choosing an AI tool, there are several key features to consider. Ease of use is paramount. You want a platform that allows you to create content without a steep learning curve. Look for tools that offer templates, drag-and-drop functionality, and intuitive editing options. Additionally, consider the customization capabilities, as having the ability to tailor your videos to fit your brand can enhance viewer engagement. Don't hesitate to experiment with different AI tools to find the best fit for your needs. Each platform has its unique strengths, and trying out a few can help you discover which one aligns with your creative vision. With the right tools in hand, you'll be well on your way to producing captivating shorts that resonate with your audience. Crafting compelling content for AI-generated shorts hinges on the art of storytelling. Even in a brief format, a well-structured narrative can captivate your audience and leave a lasting impression. Start with a hook that grabs attention within the first few seconds, and then build a concise story that resonates with viewers. Remember, every second counts, so make sure your message is clear and impactful. Another effective strategy is to tap into trending topics. By aligning your content with what's currently popular, you can attract more viewers and increase engagement. Keep an eye on social media trends, news, and viral challenges to find inspiration for your shorts. This not only boosts visibility, but also positions you as a relevant creator in your niche. Finally, don't underestimate the power of visuals and sound. Incorporating eye-catching graphics, animations, and sound effects can significantly enhance the viewer experience. Use vibrant visuals to complement your story and select background music that sets the right tone. By combining strong storytelling with trending topics and engaging multimedia elements, you'll create shorts that not only attract viewers, but also keep them coming back for more. Monetizing AI-generated shorts can open up exciting income opportunities for content creators. One of the most popular methods is through ad revenue on platforms like YouTube. Once you meet the eligibility requirements, you can enable ads on your videos, earning money based on views and clicks. This can be a steady source of income, especially if your shorts gain traction and attract a large audience. Another effective strategy is affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services relevant to your content, you can earn commissions on sales generated through your unique affiliate links. This approach not only diversifies your income streams, but also allows you to recommend products that genuinely benefit your viewers, enhancing your credibility in the process. Building a subscriber base is crucial for long-term earnings. The more subscribers you have, the more views your shorts will likely receive, leading to increased ad revenue and potential partnerships. Engage with your audience, encourage them to subscribe, and create content that keeps them coming back. By combining ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and a loyal subscriber base, you can create a sustainable income model from your AI-generated shorts. Effectively promoting your AI-generated shorts is essential for maximizing their reach and impact. One of the most powerful strategies is leveraging social media platforms. Share your shorts on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter to tap into diverse audiences. Use engaging captions and relevant hashtags to increase visibility and encourage shares, which can lead to organic growth. Collaboration with other creators is another effective way to expand your audience. Partnering with fellow content creators can introduce your shorts to their followers, creating a win-win situation. Consider co-creating content or participating in challenges together, as this not only diversifies your content, but also fosters community engagement. Additionally, don't overlook the importance of search engine optimization, SEO, in your video titles and descriptions. Incorporate relevant keywords that potential viewers might search for, making it easier for your shorts to appear in search results. Craft compelling titles that spark curiosity and provide clear descriptions that summarize your content. By combining social media promotion, collaborations, and effective SEO practices, you can significantly enhance the visibility of your AI-generated shorts and attract a larger audience. Understanding how your AI-generated shorts are performing is crucial for ongoing success. Most platforms like YouTube offer robust analytics tools that provide valuable insights into your content's performance. These tools allow you to track various metrics, helping you understand what resonates with your audience. Key metrics to monitor include views, watch time, and engagement rates, which encompass likes, comments, and shares. High view counts indicate that your content is attracting attention, while engagement rates reveal how well your audience is connecting with your shorts. Pay attention to audience retention as well. This metric shows how long viewers are staying engaged with your videos. By analyzing these metrics, you can identify trends and patterns that inform your content strategy. For instance, if certain topics or formats consistently perform better, consider creating more content in that vein. Encourage continuous improvement by regularly reviewing your performance data and adjusting your approach accordingly. This iterative process not only enhances your content, but also helps you build a loyal audience over time. By leveraging analytics effectively, you can refine your strategy and maximize the impact of your AI-generated shorts. In summary, AI-generated shorts present an exciting opportunity for making money online in today's digital landscape. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, you can create engaging content quickly and efficiently, tapping into the growing demand for short-form videos. We've discussed various actionable steps you can take to start your journey, from choosing the right AI tools and crafting compelling narratives to promoting your content effectively and analyzing performance metrics. As you embark on this creative venture, remember to experiment with different strategies and continuously refine your approach based on audience feedback and analytics. The more you engage with your viewers, the better you'll understand their preferences, leading to greater success. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on creating AI-generated content. Don't forget to like and share this video with others who might benefit from it. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing your amazing shorts.